This video is about measuring acute angles that have been drawn to a multiple of 10 degrees. So I place the protractor right there in the nook of the angle. Not there, not there, not below the line, not above the line, not slightly in place, but exactly in place. Like that, not over here, not over here. Exactly in place, and I take the trouble to get it in the right place because it's worth it. And I can see that counting up from 0 the angle is 40. Okay, it's an acute angle, so it would be crazy for me to call this an angle of 140 because that would make it obtuse. It's 40 degrees. Okay, and it's worth labeling. Now what about this one? How do you do this? Well, I would recommend that you turn the paper round until you get the line horizontal to you, and place the protractor in the nook of the angle. Again, just take the time to get it right, and you can see that if we're counting up from 0 over here this time, why this 0? Because it's this 0 that's on the pencil line, not this 0 which is floating about in thin air. So you get it in exactly the right place, count up from 0, and you can see that 50 is our angle. And then you just mark it. And then we've got one more. Turn the page round until you've got a horizontal line. Now I could either measure that like that, or I could carry on turning it round and measure it like this. It will not make the slightest bit of difference. It's the same angle after all. The angle hasn't changed, it's just the way I'm looking at it has changed. So get your protractor lined up, and we can see that we should be counting from this 0 over here, and we get to 80 degrees, don't we, when we get to there. So it's an 80-degree angle. That's the end. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.